Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to center a bike wheel. First, ensure your bike is stable, either in a truing stand or upside down. Spin the wheel and observe its movement relative to the brake pads or frame. Look for any noticeable wobbles from side to side. This initial assessment helps you understand the extent of the truing needed before making any adjustments. To pinpoint the exact spots needing adjustment, slowly spin the wheel. Watch closely as the rim passes your chosen reference point. Mark the areas where the rim touches or comes very close to the reference. These are your high spots or wobbles. You might find several such points around the wheel's circumference. Now for the adjustments. If the rim wobbles to the left, tighten the spokes on the right side of the wheel. Conversely, if it wobbles to the right, tighten the spokes on the left. Always make very small, incremental turns with your spoke wrench, perhaps a quarter or half turn at most. This prevents over-tightening and ensures a gradual, controlled correction. Once you've made your adjustments, give the wheel a good spin and re-evaluate its trueness. Check the spoke tension by squeezing pairs of spokes. They should feel relatively consistent. A perfectly true wheel enhances your riding experience and safety. Remember, a quick check every few rides can prevent major truing issues down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.